Welcome to OfisXpert's video tutorial on inventory management. Inventory management. The inventory feature enables you to track the quantity and value of the items you buy and sell. This video will explain in-depth function available and how it can help users to keep track of their inventory. Overview. OfisXpert treat inventory following first in, first out principles. Batches that was received first will be consumed first when sales is made. The system auto-calculate inventory, adding and reducing stock depending on the transactions. It also displays all the batches added and purchased at the stock on hand section where it shows the original quantity purchased and balance quantity on hand. Furthermore, OfisXpert also display on the stock on order section where items that has been purchased but not yet receive. Add quantity batch. Number 1. Quantity batch function is useful to record your previous stock on hand before using OfisXpert. The stock value must match the inventory account values on opening balance. Number 2. It can be used to add ad hoc batches without a purchase flow. In this scenario, you will need to perform journal entries to reflect value of these items in your inventory asset accounts. Number 3. Click Master Data tab menu and choose Items icon. Number 4. Click on Add Quantity Batch button. Number 5. Select item brand and category. Number 6. Select stock group or subcategory. Number 7. Select which department the stock will be assigned to, if applicable. If a department has been chosen, the amount of the stock added will only reflected at the account of users within that department. Number 8. Enter batch purchase date. Number 9. Key in the quantity purchase. The quantity purchased for this batch includes stock on hand and stock that had been sold. Number 10. Key in the quantity remaining. The quantity of existing stock on hand as at current date. Number 11. Enter the purchase price. Number 12. Click on Create Quantity Batch button. Stock adjustment. Number 1. Stock adjustment allows users to make adjustment to their defect or bad stock by decreasing the amount. For certain companies with many branches/outlets, stock adjustment can be used to transfer inventory from HQ to branches/outlets or vice versa. Number 2. Click Master Data tab menu and choose Items icon. Number 3. Click on Adjustment button. Number 4. Select item brand, category, or department, branches/outlets. Number 5. User can select the effective date of this adjustment before entering the reduced amount. Number 6. Click on the adjustment stock levels. Stock grouping. Number 1. Stock groups help organize your items in the system according to your requirements. It also aids you when drilling down to specific items or when generating reports. Number 2. Stock group provides a feature for managing your inventory effectively. Each stock group may be assigned linked accounts to accurately calculate your accounting books. Items tied to the stock group will be automatically populated with these linked accounts and taxes. It is beneficial to avoid mistakes when adding items. Number 3. Click Master Data tab menu and click Stock Group icon. Select Add Stock Group button. Number 4. Select category the stock group belongs to. More categories may be added by the tenant admin, which will be explained in depth on video 12, Admin Function Title Custom List. Number 5. Enter name and description. Number 6. Stock group can be assigned to a specific department/branch/outlet. This particular stock group will only visible to that department/branch/outlet. Number 7. Select the appropriate asset, revenue, costs, and/or expense account for this stock group. Number 8. Select the tax details. Number 9. Once stock group has been set up, users can easily create items under the stock group. The system will automate items details to match the stock group. Users can add items into the stock group by selecting Manage feature. Users also able to select the stock group when creating new item. Number 10. Items that fall under the same stock group will automatically follow the criteria that have been selected when user created this group. Items in the same stock group will inherit all the changes made in the future. Build item. Number 1. Build item feature allows user to create a new item from existing items. User may create a special packaging that consists of multiple items in their inventory. Users can create a new product from raw materials, existing products in inventory, by utilizing this feature. Number 2. This feature will make adjustment accordingly, either reduce the item's amount or increase the amount of the items that were built. Number 3. Before proceed with build a new item, user must add the item into the list of inventory. The steps to create new item was explained in video 2, company setup, titled Add an item/inventory. Number 4. Click Master Data tab menu and select Build icon. Number 5. Click on New Build button. Number 6. Select item or add new item. The system will auto-fill the linked accounts according to the item setup. Number 7. Click on Add Materials button to start adding existing stock to build a new item. Number 8. Enter the quantity needed from each material to build one item. Number 9. Once the materials and its quantities have been listed down, click Save/Update button. Number 10. The system will show build cost per set. The build cost is calculated from batch purchase cost for each material. Number 11. Enter the quantity to be built and click the build button. Number 12. The system will auto-adjust the quantity of items accordingly. On the item list, users will able to see that the quantity for the materials have been adjusted. Number 13. Each item that was built will be considered as one batch. These batches followed the same first in, first out principle as other inventories. Number 14. Users will able to track the build items and inventory movement via inventory movement report. Fixed asset. Number 1. In this section, Finance Admin will be able to oversee all the company fixed asset and information which are related to it, such as date purchased, quantity, original purchase price and year-to-date period. Number 2. OfisXpert provides a function which allows Finance Admin to calculate items' yearly depreciation rate, by entering the percentage of the depreciation rate per year and click Calculate button. The system will show the value after depreciation and year-to-date total depreciation of the asset. Number 3. Currently the system will not auto-posted fixed assets accumulated depreciation. These calculation will still need to be manually posted by the accountants via the journal entry interface. Number 4. To create a company fixed asset, users will have to create a new item and select only asset account which link to account type of fixed asset. Number 5. Do not select any account for other linked accounts and skip the quantity and price tab. Number 6. Choose the appropriate input tax and output tax. Number 7. Finance department will have to create an account with account type of fixed asset before creating items under fixed asset category. Inventory movement report. Number 1. This report tracked all items of inventory within the company. Any addition or reduction in inventory can have a dramatic impact on your bottom line. Number 2. Click Report tab menu and choose Sales tab icon. Select Inventory Movement Report. Number 3. Enter date range for the report and click Go button. Number 4. The system will produce a report consist of item details, items opening stock, closing stock, purchased items, and sold goods. It also calculated profit margin for each item. Number 5. Users can utilize this report to analyze the company business activities. Thank you for watching OfisXpert's tutorial video.